Hi everyone, and in this video, believe me, I'm gonna solve your one of the biggest problem of college. In fact, your whole academic journey and more. So, how you have to humanize your AI data? I know last minute assignments and all. We have also done it. It's not just about assignments. If it's write up, you have to submit something. We use AI for everything, right? So yesterday only, it's about yesterday. I had to submit one write up, and I got to know about it in last minute that for this conference we have to submit this. And at that time, what can I do? So I just generated the prompt and I gave it, and then I pasted it. But we know we don't have to do that because it will be AI written and anyone can recognize that it's AI written. So how you have to humanize it, that is very important, because if we humanize it and AI is not able to detect it, then our work is done, right? Our assignments and everything is done. So in this video, I'm gonna tell you how you have to humanize your AI data with proofs. So be with me till end, and yeah, this video will be helpful, I know, for everyone. Yesterday only I used that AI tool actually and it worked. I'll show you. Let's start. Now I'll generate one data using Hix AI. So here it is, it has written, I'll just copy it. So I'll paste my text here. This is GPT-0 and I'll scan it for AI check. We all can see here that we are highly confident that this text was AI generated, 100% AI generated, so which it was. So now I will go to 0GPT and paste the same text, and then we'll check for AI here. So as you can see, 100% AI generated, which it is. I'll go to Quillbot and paste the same text. Fine. Now I'll detect AI. Let's see. So 100% AI generated, which it was. Now I'll go to copy leaks and paste the same text here. Fine, now I'll scan it for AI. AI content 100%, which it was. I have pasted the same text here, and now we'll scan it for AI. You can see here that human score is 0%. So of course it is AI written only. So yeah, now I will humanize all this data through bypass GPT. Fine. So you can see this is bypass GPT, bypass GPT.ai. Now I'll paste the same text over here. Fine. I'll paste it. Now I'll humanize it. Fine. I have humanized it now. Now I'll copy this text and I will run it through the same AI tools which I use right now. So now I have copied the text from here, which I humanized it using bypass GPT. So I've copied it and now I'll go for AI detection from the same AI tools which I have used just now. So I'll paste my text here. This is Winston AI and I'll check for AI here. So now you can see that 100% human written is coming. That time 100% AI written was coming. So definitely it's working for this. Now I'll go to GPT-0 and I'll paste the same text. Now I'll scan it for AI. Now when I used GPT-0, we can see that 71% human written is coming. So definitely this is working. Last time 100% human, 100% AI generation was there. Now I will try for 0GPT. So I'll paste the same text over here. Now I'll detect it. We can see that your text is most likely human written. Uh, so it is only 23% now AI detected, and so yeah, this is definitely working. Last time it was 100%. Now I'll use Quillbot. Okay, so last time it was 100% AI detected. Now I'll paste the same text which I generated using bypass GPT. Now I'll detect it for AI. Now you can see that 0% of text is likely AI, so definitely it's working. Now I'll go to copy leaks and I'll paste the same text which I generated using bypass GPT. So last time it was AI content 100%, but after using bypass GPT, let's see the results. So now we can see that AI content is 0% and human text is 100% using copy leaks only. So last time it was AI content 100%. So definitely this bypass GPT is working. I have used it myself. I just wanted to show this to you people that this will be helpful to generate your AI data into human data if you want to convert it. So definitely it's working. Let's check for this also. So I'll paste the same text over here, which I humanized using bypass GPT, and then I'll check for AI. Let's see what it gives. Right. Yeah, so you can see this input content seems to be human written. So that's it for this video. I hope that this video was helpful, and now you can do all your assignments in last minute, that too without AI detection. So this was all about how to bypass AI detection. So yeah, now use it. Use bypass GPT. It's free. I think I have pinned it in comment section and also the link in description. So use it and then tell me your experience in comment section.